The spread of Islam and the importance of the Quran. The Prophet Muhammad's message spread far and wide, from its origins in the Middle East to distant lands in Africa and the Mediterranean. It was a message of peace, generosity, and kindness. Many people listened to the message and wanted to be part of this new religion. These believers became known as Muslims, and the religion they followed was called Islam. What is the Quran? Over a period of 23 years, the angel Gabriel is said to have visited Muhammad in a cave in Mecca, in modern-day Saudi Arabia. Muhammad told his followers all the things that the angel Gabriel revealed to him. Some of his followers knew how to read and write Arabic, so they wrote down everything Muhammad said. One of the writers, Ali ibn Abi Talib, Muhammad's cousin, collected these writings and made them into one complete book called the Quran. Since then, it has been copied out many times. The same holy book is read by Muslims today. It is the second most read book in the world. What language was the Quran written in? Even today, only the Arabic version of these holy writings is considered to be the Quran. Although the book has been translated into many other languages, these are treated as dictionaries and learning aids. Arabic became an important language throughout the Islamic civilization. It was the language of Islam, and it united millions of people from countless backgrounds. Why is the Quran so important to Muslims? Muslims have always treated the Quran with great respect. It is believed to contain the direct words of God given to Muhammad through the angel Gabriel. It gives divine guidance and teaches good morals. It contains laws that Muslims are to live by and prophecies about the future.